So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Madden NFL 24 starters not playing. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do if your starters are not playing in your game is to first disable your progressive fatigue. So as said here in franchise mode, there exists a setting known as progressive fatigue. So what you want to do is to disable the setting because this setting is leading to player fatigue and the need for rest. So some players have experienced situations where their starters are benched even when they are not genuinely fatigued. So the next thing you want to do is to adjust the fatigue slider. So the fatigue slider plays a crucial role in determining how quickly players tire during a game. So if this slider is set too high, it can lead to players becoming tired too rapidly and needing rest, even they are not actually fatigued. So you want to adjust the settings in order to let your starters play. And also, what you want to do is review the auto subs because auto subs can sometimes break the game or leading other players not to enter the game, such as your starters. And the most important thing is to update your game. So the problem of starters not playing may indeed be linked to game glitches or bugs. So make sure to update your game up to date by installing the latest version is a prudent step to take. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.